Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the top sustainable living trends for your home and garden this season. If you're keen on making your space eco-friendly while keeping it stylish, you're in the perfect spot. First up, zero-waste home essentials are gaining momentum. The zero-waste movement is crucial for our planet, and trendy products like beeswax wraps, compost bins, and reusable silicone bags are leading the charge. One must-have product is a stylish countertop compost bin. It's not only functional, but also a chic addition to any kitchen, helping you reduce waste effortlessly. Next, let's talk about indoor smart gardens. These innovative systems allow you to grow herbs and veggies right in your kitchen, offering fresh produce all year round, saving space and requiring minimal effort. A particular smart garden system stands out for its ease of use and advanced features, making it an ideal choice for eco-conscious urban dwellers. Moving outdoors, eco-friendly outdoor furniture made from recycled materials or sustainable woods is becoming increasingly popular. We've found an outdoor furniture set made from 100% recycled plastics that combines durability with design, proving that sustainability can also be stylish. Lastly, solar-powered garden lights are lighting up the sustainable living scene. They add a beautiful touch to any garden or patio without adding to your electricity bill. We've picked out a set of solar garden lights that are not only functional, but also beautifully designed to enhance your outdoor space. Embracing sustainable living means you don't have to compromise on style or convenience. Each of these trends helps you beautify your home and garden while taking care of our planet. The products we've mentioned are great starts to integrating these trends into your lifestyle. Check out the link in the description to grab yours and start making a difference today. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on eco-friendly living and the latest in home and garden trends. See you in the next video.